Here is how to remove keyboard sound on Samsung or turn off. First, you can open system setting like this. Open system setting, and then you can tap sound and privacy. Next, you can see system sound. You can turn off keyboard sound, charging, screen lock, dialing keypad, and touch interaction. Like this, turn off. Don't forget to turn off like this. Or you can turn off from here. Go to General Management, Samsung keyboard setting, and then you can tap to voice swipe, touch, and feedback. You can see touch feedback. You can turn off from here. So easy. Thank you for watching my video.